Jello Beats, holla at me.
Yeah, you know what it is. Back at it. Okay, I don't like the look of this. Niggas is trying to judge me over and Thal Jr. and throw the book at this. Look at this. Put your money on me on some bookie shit. And if not, I'ma terrorize your ass on some Wookie shit. Then drop you off on Jersey Shore with that Snooki bitch. Like Kyrie Irving in this game. I ain't on no rookie shit. I'll point the gun at you and shoot the scene up like a movie clip. I'll do it all for a snack. No Scooby shit. Yeah. I be like, fuck it, you better run home with that ticket, Charlie Bucket. Before I turn porno when a nigga start bustin'. I ain't on no baby shit, that nigga ain't no time for bluffing. Just know it's gonna be consequences and repercussions if you still fizzy lifting, drinking, nigga, I ain't bluffing. Have my Oompa Loompas come and get you like it's nothing. And have them niggas base you up and put you in the oven. Ding. Guess that means you done now. Stick a fork in you and serve you to the Chinese Kung Pao. Mortal Kombat on this track, I am Kung Lao. Finish him, then you hear that gun sound. Stumbling, look at him, he can't even stand now. Call Rihanna to sing for this nigga. Man down, hands down, before I go bonkers. No need to clap for me like you at an opera. Just accept these flows like a gobstopper and step inside my factory. Call me Willy Wonka, Herman on this shit. Yes, I am a monster, running through these beats like a nigga's playing Contra. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Shouts out to those who fucks with me. Shouts out to those who don't. I will have your ear, believe that. See that? Yeah. Okay. Tool on deck, no Tim Taylor. Farm full of weed, no tractor trailer. Pack div flow, I feel like the mayor. Silver and black Charger, I call it Oakland Raider. Yeah. Only when I'm in Cali though, never ride by myself, passenger seat, calico. Shoots tall bullets, call him John Sally though. Niggas acting pep, I will give you something to rally for. Damn, here I go again though, loading cartridges up, Super Nintendo. Bin code, I just turn the heat down and put cracks in the road so you can hear me through the streets now. Even in Memphis, man this shit is bleak now. R. Kelly flow, you can ride this in your Jeep now. Sleep now, and wake up to this in the morning while you catching Z's, I'm getting head. Brainstorming, rain pouring, over here it's sunny though. What's up doc, you'll never catch me on my Bugs Bunny flow. Laugh now, but it ain't funny though. Put your ear on my career so you can hear me coming bro. Sorry, I get offensive like D-Wade and have to beat your kids up. Baby boy, Ving Rhames. Sorry sweetheart, this shit ain't V-Day, it's Black Roses, kill the beat, more than shit, D-Day. Not Sports Center, but you can instant replay. Meteorologist on this track, my forecast is heat wave. Work for this music, you can call me beat slave. I'm a bask in this ambiance while you faggots meat gaze. Yeah. Okay, yo, gotta leave you with this though. Yeah, check it. Yeah, okay, last but not least, let me just say this. Botox bullets, give your ass a facelift. I talk a lot of shit, no Skip Bayless. You talk a lot too, but like a bank account, save it. We ain't trying to hear that. We'll treat you like grass, mow over top of you. Yeah, we John Deere that. Bambi ass niggas, meet me where the deer at, cause I be on the streets like a car, steer that. Yeah. Ain't that many like me, not many can just do this shit. Nike, front row seats to your ear. Spike Lee, not even Leonidas could smite me. That's 300, no not the car though. Put you in the hole, Tiger Woods. Powerful, I smoke you like a pack. Marlboro, damn a nigga sick like I got parvo. I don't give a fuck about your dog, ain't precious cargo. Tell him ask permission when he looking at a star, bro. Or like that candy, he will get his jaw broke or get picked off from distance when I'm looking through this small scope. Damn. Leave your body on crooked shit. Your family got that syndrome from them babies cause they shook and shit. Ask me what happened to his life, I said I took that shit. And y'all gonna look at me and say, I don't like the look of this. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck with your boy. Yeah. Yeah. I told y'all, I'm nicer than your kindergarten teacher. Yeah.